Cameron. That's a trap.
Take it. Take it. Shoot.
Get up, Cameron. Get the ball, Jamie.
She's a good hitter, ain't she?
She is.
That's awesome. Shoot.
Good luck, Cam. Baby, what did you do? You just sat in the chair.
That's awesome.
She's missing early.
She's nailed every one of them so far. Oh, yeah.
Good job, good job.
Yeah, he didn't.
Cody, let me tell you who she runs like. She reminds me of this stuff. Cameron. She reminds me of Colton running.
Yeah.
She runs just like he did.
Yeah.
Honestly, they all kind of look alike too.
Never noticed, but I think you're right. I
Yeah.
didn't say it like thinking about it. Yeah.
Yeah. I've never thought of that before, but
Yeah.
you point it
I'm
out.
sitting there watching her just now. I was like, man, that drives me just that
Get her, Rain. Cut her off, Rain. Get her. Yes, get her.
Just get messed up. Shoot. Good shot.
That wasn't right.
Rain just giving her the lead.
What's the back of her jersey say?
Jane themes.
Oh, okay.
Her middle name.
I got you.
She wants.
She's
She,
all like She's like Alexander. She's not. She's finally playing like him. Or more like him, I should say.
Bring that through.
Got a rebound. Come on, girl.
Right. You got two options. Oh gosh.
Good job, Jay.
It's a trap.
White ball.
Get it right.
Why didn't I start? I do.
That's they just call it. It's not really a foul.
Most of the time, yeah.
Poor judgment.
I kind of like you getting over the back calls. That's pretty impressive.
Rebound, girl.
No kidding. One time I got a chop block call in a football game. My coach, he's like, he's always below the waist. What are you talking about?
Good pass.
That's good.
Yeah, you gotta step up. Huh?
No, it looks like it. Spitting image just a little. Bubba, sit down so you can record.
Oh, he's fine.
Make those.
Shortest girl there grabbed it.
Yes.
Shoot. Good shot. Do what? Yeah, maybe.
We hope so, don't
Yep, it's 4-4. Cameron. Get up.
Good shot. I wonder who number 3 belongs to. Who's number 3 belongs to? She looks just like you.
Listen, you don't blame her, I will.
Did Cammy get it in the nose?
Oh, I don't know.
Jalen's getting mad. Nice. Oh, show him go. We got 2 players
My elbow was hurt on that floor. Sit on. Yeah, I can pick on you a little bit.
They did.
Pull your
Oh,
snout
that's it.
pull your snout off.
It was like a controlled demolition, huh?
Didn't even get hit by anything. He fell over at the table.
Go to work.
Sure, Reagan.
So you know what?
Get in there.
You walk over and you have one.
Where is she going?
It is.
Good job, dog.
Good shot. Now you'll claim her, won't you?
She can eat dinner.
What I say, so.
Oh, come on.
Mm-hmm.
You want to come see me? He's like staring at me.
Go. Take it all the way. What Cameron's fast, ain't she?
She's pretty quick.
She is. She's pretty fast.
Callie's
Yeah, real fast. Yeah.
Cameron's fast, but Callie is something.
I guess I've never seen her run.
Yeah, it's crazy.
You can't see her when she runs.
It's, I mean, it is. Yeah, she's always been that way, but it's. Yeah,
Donna.
He's trying.
Good job, Brooklyn. Good job. Good job.
Good shot. Real good. Oh, she got it. What's up, guys? Good for you.
There you go, Brian.
I come from Florida today. I like the roses. It was hot over here.
That's what. Ethan said, he's
Yeah,
like, I
it was-
just shed my sweater.
It was hot, but it was 100 degrees.
Yeah, that is what he said.
Old Cammy's a hustler, ain't she?
Yeah.
Where'd he go? Just let your go. Where's the It's like this.
Good pass. Oh, right in there. Good job. The referees over at the other gym, they were calling really, I mean, all the walks, all the double dribbles. Yeah, traveling, I should say, not walking. They were really calling tight over there. One's got an older guy. Yes. No, baby says she's They're always watering. I'll be just like driving along like some tears.
So you have to stay over.
No, well, unless there's any complications, they'll just have to stay there all day because they'll have to lay down and make sure that's clotted up.
You don't think
Here, about here, about this wide. Good job. How's the puppy doing?
she's doing great. I mean, well,
It'll get
says
better
no.
once you.
I can't leave it shut up.
No, it'll be easier. She'll
Now,
go
next week,
because
you'll be able to flowers in front door.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And she loves to buy. Puppies might walk in blankets. But she's going to be She wants it. She knows it already. If they go get your baby, that's the stuffed animal up there in the when she first came. And she knows what her shoes. What you see about that? No, really. She'll get. I mean, she doesn't go far, but she'll back up.
Keep practicing. She'll do it quite a bit.
I told him, I said, she'll be.
That was a good one. She walked. You know, another place they call Way to go, Cammy.
You told me you would your glasses. I don't see it. So where are you? Well, I'm going to tell you she was very good. She did good. But that means she would love it. Did you want it up or Oh, she's the lady that's at the works at OSU station.
I don't know. I just know Mama works at OCD. That's her daddy.
There you go, Cam. Good job.
And of course, he had his pickups and Rod out there, his 79, kicked out all the bad weather and he come out and got it because his daughter wanted him to take it.
Good job, Cam.
Hello? Yeah. Okay. I parked on like the backs or there's a school bus. Yeah, on the north side. I parked right next to the school bus on that side. Alrighty. Uh-huh. You took her. Callie, I need your help. Just for a minute. Papa G is bringing by some stuff at my truck. Can you meet him out there?
He needs what?
He's bringing some stuff by to put in my truck. Hang on, do you need the key?
Yeah.
Thanks, Callie. He's gonna meet over there. He knows where I parked.
There you go.
She went to my truck real quick. My dad was bringing some stuff for me.
It's just 42nd. Yeah, this one's almost over.
Oh shoot.